Now we will see the copy parallel tool. Let's create a line using this polyline layer. Create line and finish. Click on the copy parallel, both sides, repetitions. Let's put 5 here, and distance should be 1000 feet or 10,000 feet. You can remove self-intersecting loops so that another line is not created over this line. Corner should be rounded, beveled or metered. You can make it in either side, left or right. Since the direction is top to bottom, the left side of this is in our right side, and the right side of the line is on our left side. Let's click on both and click on copy. Don't forget to click the save button. We have created 9 lines with this, total 10 lines.